Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Compass Sport 4-wheel drive, stock number E1633P. 18,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read, 1,000 miles, tilt wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio, and six disc CD changer with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, 4-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather, and lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Compass, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.